This is drsalimali, southern birdwing. This largest butterfly in India is here. This is butterfly park in Thattekad Bird Sanctuary. I am taking you. Wow, so nice. This is Lotus. There's a small water pond here, and you see lotus flowers. Fully bloomed lotus flowers are here. Yeah. This is actually a minor waterfall. Artificial butterfly museum is also here, and I am going to that place. This is great fly. I am taking you inside the butterfly museum. Nice. See parts of a butterfly. You see here: wing, antenna, head, proboscis, thorax, leg, abdomen. So much This is the butterfly. 334 species of butterflies are in India. 100 species you can find here. Thousands and thousands of varieties of butterflies you can find. We should explore all this. We should give importance to birds and animals. This is something we have to do. Our kids should know the importance of ecology and maintaining the ecosystem. This place has got value. Even a butterfly is valuable. It's part of the food chain. Shoe flower. This garden is well maintained. Two people are cleaning the garden. Now I find only small butterflies. This one garden I want to create by myself also. Yeah, I see. Yeah. I am walking through the garden. Butterfly garden is here. So nice. Butterfly should be given. Varen kadua, striped tiger butterflies here. See, some wild flowers are here. I am also seeing this for the first time. Different kinds of flowers and bushes, trees. There is a watchtower there. Insects, birds, animals, all are important. Oh, this is a new kind of flower I am seeing for the first time. I don't know whether you have seen these flowers. Wild flowers. Don't pluck any flowers if you are coming here, okay? I don't like people destroying the nature. Praying mantis, giant wood spider, all this is here. Full of flowers. This is the garden. It's a garden of Eden. So many butterflies are here. Hey Baba. So many wonderful butterflies are here. So near I got. Thank you for coming here. Yeah. Okay. I don't know the name of this.
Blue tiger. Come on. Caterpillar. Come on.
Yeah. So he is taking me to one place. Caterpillar. Yeah.
Southern birdwing caterpillar.
Oh, this is actually the caterpillar.
Southern birdwing.
Southern birdwing caterpillar.
Yeah, caterpillar.
Yeah, this caterpillar becomes the butterfly later.
Come on.
Yeah. Come. This one minute.
Southern birdwing.
This is butterfly caterpillar.
Southern birdwing.
This is the largest butterfly. Southern birdwing it's called. It's the largest butterfly. I am just shooting behind this. So this is southern birdwing, the largest butterfly in India. You see it very close. This is the butterfly. Southern birdwing. An uncle is here. He showed me. This is the best video I am shooting. I think I never got it so close. Thank you for coming very near to me, darling.